Hey, what is up guys? Software Geek here. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Now, today's tutorial I want to show you how to easily set up virtual machine on Windows 11. We're going to use Hyper-V to do that. To enable Hyper-V, you need to have either Windows 11 Professional or Enterprise. You also need to make sure that within your BIOS, you have virtualization set to enabled. Okay, we're finally ready to enable Hyper-V. Let's go to the taskbar, and within the search field, type in Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on the best match. Enable Hyper-V, and click OK. Reboot your PC or laptop. Now we're going to download Kali Linux pre-built image. Go to kali.org and click Download button there. Select Virtual Machines, then Hyper-V. Now we're going to import pre-made Kali image. We first need to extract the Hyper-V image. Double-click on the file, install -VM. Click Yes. After approving the pop-up, a console appears, and the script runs a series of steps in order to set up the Kali Linux virtual machine. Then launch the Hyper-V Manager. Right-click on the Kali VM, click Connect. Then click Start. Choose your virtual machine display resolution and click Connect. The default credentials are Kali and Kali as usual. That's it! We are now logged in our Kali VM. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.